you can make use of the mic, or you can also type it in the comment section. Yeah. So before I go on, any question from the audience? Can I be heard though?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so let me wait for like a minute and wait for questions. If anyone has a question, yeah, then I can answer it, or I will move on. I'll continue. Okay. All right. So I'm not seeing any question. If I see any question, I'll come back to address it. So since I'm not seeing any question, I will go back to my PPT. All right, so that is how we will go about our Boolean operator, use of the and, not, or. So in place of, maybe for me, in place of Google Scholar, I mostly use Semantic Scholar also. So if you also use Semantic Scholar, it's all the same. It's all the same here. And then we can talk about another topic. Let's take like social media impact on the current generation body image. And maybe among that, we can talk about social media impacts. In social media impacts, maybe you can say impact in place of, maybe we can put effects, we can put maybe consequences, all right. And then maybe current generation, in my, how I understand it, I'm going to put something like, in place of current generation, I'll put something like maybe teenagers, I'll put something like a younger generation, I'll put something like young adults. So these are some ways that I'm going to use in place of this thing. So in that, maybe we can see, instead of using Google Scholar, maybe we can try something like maybe PubMed also. Yeah, let's try another search engine and PubMed also. All right, so here too, we are going to, since we have gotten our keywords under that topic, we are trying to also search and try to see how we will go around our Boolean operators again using this one. So, so here, let's search something like maybe social media impacts. Since impacts, another word is effect. So let's say social media impacts, social media impacts in small letters, impacts, or maybe social media effects, right? So let's try to see what's, okay. Two articles found by citing the citation of the following. Okay, so here too, I didn't give it a prompt either. It's supposed to be in the heading or anywhere, so it can be anywhere. So social media use, its impacts, such impact of social media on children and young adults and young people, impact of social media. So in this case, I'm giving it like a prompt, like it can give me information about social media impact or maybe social media effect. So anyone that I want is okay. So literally, that is how we use the Boolean operators, both in across all the search engines, both the PubMed or maybe the Google Scholar, the Semantic Scholar, anywhere you can use it. But then you just have to know how to use it. When you have your words, your keywords at hand, then that's all. You just go about it like that. So yeah, and then with PubMed too, maybe if you want to use it here too, we have a way of refining it, like maybe you want to change this thing, the range, maybe from 2014 to 2024. Maybe you want to change the type of article here, so you can just click anyhow. Maybe you don't want to see systematic review, then you can just click which ones you want to see. And publication date also, you can just custom it, maybe 5 years from now, 1 year, maybe custom it like 10 years. You can also custom it like maybe which month, which year, which day, also everything, you just put it there, and then you just click on apply and automatically it will be applied. So that is a way. And also we can talk about advanced, where we use the filters, like maybe if you want to change the language, even you can say Indonesian, maybe you speak Indonesian, you don't want to say English, Portuguese, Russian, anything you want to, you can just advance and change it. the sex, the age, article type, which type of article do you need? You can just change it according to your field. So that is this one. So for PubMed by using, and here you can refine it and then change it by also adding maybe something like using the and or social. Okay, social media. Okay, let's try something else by using the double quotation marks. Maybe we can look for social media impacts, social media impacts on maybe on teenagers and see, hopefully we can get, yeah, social media impact. But then in this range, I'm using the double quotation marks means that I want this to be written like as I've written it in the topic. So let's search and see. Right. So social media impact on adolescents, impact of social media, impact of social media, impact of social media, right? So this is a prompt I gave PubMed. So that is exactly what PubMed is going to give me. So this is a way of just refining, going around and searching for the appropriate papers that we need. So yeah, that is for the Boolean operators for now. And if you have any question, you can ask me before I go on, because we are about to go into advanced. We are going forward. And if you have any question about the Boolean operators mainly, I'm coming to move away from the Boolean operators right now. So if you have any question, you can ask me now before I move on. Okay.